Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Konrad ke Sangma ulo ang bakalan kajing persang bansa ya kajing penenkam ya kitin kasih bat garo ha kajing dor ba thawaan kejela. Menteri Rang Ba ulo ang ba ke kabinet ke sengaw watla ban penenkam pura henry katu kat ni ke bentala ban penenkam ya kini kitin harengkat kajing perkelas ya kitin pareng ha kajing dor bar. Usang ma ulo ang ba ha bayadai bat ke kernet ke bapra bat kiwe ki pang kum ke ILP bat ke jing pembek uput usam ke sorkar jela ke ladep ban penbit penbiang ya ke benta jongka bat menta kadang pak sya ke sorkar preng Menteri Rang Ba ula pensngau ya kane hadian bakit khot jongka neutrap Aceh National Movement ke lapenlong ke jing ki habar jongka sekretariat ki badawa ban penbek ya kimat balas sateng kum ke jing pentrekam ya ke ILP bat kiwe de
Our educated will get.
But at the end of the day, as I said, whether it's 8 schedule or whether it's ILP, these are facts that require a lot of push, a lot of lobbying, and these are things that are beyond the Meghalaya government's jurisdiction in one way. So therefore, we have done our part by passing a resolution. Even in the assembly, both Khasi and Karo language should be allowed to be spoken. And we feel strongly that this is something that should be done. Efforts are being made. I hope that we will be able to do this very, very soon.
Menteri Rang Ba do Narendra Modi henne kasni ulo play